Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Photos. It's a complete beginner's guide, so make sure to watch this video till the end. To use your Google Photos, you need to go ahead and open up your Play Store so that you could go ahead and install it. Type in Play Store and on the search box type in Photos or Google Photos and then go ahead and install it. In my case, I happen to already install it. Click the open button. Now sign in with your Google account. You could use any of your Google account, whether it be it any other, and then log in into your account with that. Once you've done that, now this is how it's going to look like. There will be no sort of photo unless and until you turn on your backup. So go ahead and open up your, go ahead and press on the initials from the top right. Go to photo settings and make sure to toggle the button that is backup, and all of the photos that's on your gallery will be moved to your Google Photos. So this way you could also backup and save it to your folder, and likewise you could go and explore other features as well that's available. So that's how you could use Google Photos. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.